20 years ago, IFRS Foundation was created. Investors have trusted IFRS accounting standards as the basis for informed investment and capital allocation decisions. IFRS is said to be de facto global language for financial reporting. 20 years ago, Kyoto Protocol was very much discussed, but financial reporting and climate reporting did not meet then. Today, investors factor in a much broader set of information as part of that investment process. Sustainability in general and climate in particular are the defining issues of our time. Yet investors lack the tools to properly evaluate sustainability matters as a part of the investment process. In short, there is no IFRS for sustainability disclosures, but now that will change. Today we are announcing the formation of a new International Sustainability Standards Board, or ISSB. Its role will be to develop high-quality, globally consistent IFRS sustainability disclosure standards to help investors to make informed investment decisions. We are also delighted that our colleagues from the Value Reporting Foundation, which includes the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, SASB, and the International Integrated Reporting Council, IIRC, as well as Climate Disclosure Standards Board, have agreed to become part of the new board. These organizations will be incorporated into the IFRS Foundation. The aim is to streamline the investor-focused initiatives into a single organization whose remit is to meet the accounting and sustainability information needs. The International Sustainability Standards Board will sit alongside and work in close cooperation with the International Accounting Standards Board, ISSB, which sets the IFRS accounting standards. Both boards will work together to ensure compatibility between financial accounting and sustainability requirements. The ISSB will develop a comprehensive global baseline. We start with climate. The standards can be used by jurisdictions on a standalone basis, or they can be complemented with other reporting requirements. They can also serve other audiences or public policy purposes. This approach has been welcomed by G20 as it provides a win-win solution. Investors get global comparability, and jurisdictions can go further if they so want. Given the urgency of this work, particularly in climate, a number of steps have been taken to accelerate the delivery of these standards. First, a working group whose membership includes the Value Reporting Foundation and the Climate Disclosure Standards Board, as well as World Economic Forum and Task Force for Climate-Related Financial Disclosures, TCFD, have published today prototype standards for climate and for presentation. This will provide the new board with a running start. We are finalizing the appointment of the new board, and one of their first jobs will be to consider these documents and seek feedback on them and the ISSB's future agenda. Second, we are establishing several key advisory and consultative bodies to inform the new board, to ensure that the new board is fully integrated into both the financial and sustainability ecosystems. These bodies will provide strategic and technical advice, as well as formal setting for engagement with multilateral organizations and jurisdictional authorities. Finally, we are working closely with jurisdictions and global regulatory bodies around the world, such as the International Organization of Securities Commissions, IOSCO, to explore how the new board standards might become mandated for use. There's much work ahead of us. These are global challenges, and success will require the highest level of global cooperation. However, the required institutional arrangements, the comprehensive global baseline, and the substantial goodwill behind the ISSB's formation are now all in place. I thank you for your time. I look forward to your support for this critical endeavor.